So let's take a peek at where we're at. Our 3 columns here again, just for residential, are active, any state of pending, and sold in the last 7 days since we did this last week. So you can see all of Whatcom County, we are sitting at 156 active listings across all price ranges. This is what's great. That is plus 12 from last week. Pendings of 200, sold 34 again over the last 7 days. In Bellingham, 43. That's plus 8. We're seeing a good trend here. 59 pending, 11 sold. Ferndale, we're at 27 active listings. That is a plus 4 for the week. 53 pending, 11 solds. Blaine and Birch Bay, we're at 15 active listings. Again, all residentials. That's a plus 0, so it's the same as last week. 27 pending, 3 solds. Lynden, keeping the trend of Ferndale. 7, which is the exact same as last week. So good trend. I was anticipating it maybe a week ago. Historically, we start to see an uptick of inventory and activity starting about now through that first 2 weeks of February, and then we really get into that springtime roll. So again, all positives here across the board. Excited for the weeks to come. Rates remain low. Inventory remains low. So again, that's going to be a seller's market. We're going to have a lot of competition. Rates are projected to go up in 2022. All the experts and mentors that I follow that have an exceptionally good track record seem to think that that's going to be towards third and fourth quarter. So we've got some time. It doesn't mean it's going to automatically transition in any type of buyer's market with all the demand. It just means that maybe the craziness of all the multiple offers and waiving all your rights and contingencies will start to lessen, and we might see more of a normalized market. But for the time being, rates are fantastic. That's your ultimate leverage. Excited about these numbers and can't wait to see what next week brings. Again, my name is Sean Hackney, up here in Bellingham, Whatcom County. And if you have any questions about the stats, about the current market, particular neighborhood, remember all real estate is hyper local. As you've heard me mention before, I've been blessed enough during my career to be coached by the #1 business and real estate coaching firm in North America called Buffini and Company. The network that I belong to of the best agents across the United States are responsible for 1 in 8 sales across North America, which is absolutely phenomenal, and nobody can touch those numbers. Spanning all different market areas across the United States and all different brokerages. So if you're looking outside of Bellingham and Whatcom County and you want to be connected with the best of the best, treated in a very similar fashion of the way I run and operate my real estate practice, feel free to reach out and I will give you a virtual introduction, and you can then look at other markets that maybe you are interested in for a long-term rental, short-term rental, or maybe even a second home for you and your family.